welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. As you guys can see, we got our background settled, and this is what you guys gonna be seeing in all of my videos. It took me some days to really settle down with this design because I had it another way first, and then I switched it around. I switched it around about 2 times before I finally decided on this background. If you don't know, I moved from Florida to Atlanta, so I'm now starting to do everything over to design my new home. And one of the first few things that I started working on is my filming background and my office, because that's very important. And also the office for my company, my husband and myself company as Secrets. That was also one of the first thing that we work on. Actually, that was the first thing that we work on because we had to keep working. Business come first. We have bills to pay. So the office was the first thing that we work on, and then I slowly started to decorate my background. I already changed this background about 2 different times because I just did not like the way the design was looking. But now I finalized on this background, so this is what you guys gonna be seeing in all of my videos. Let me know if you love it. Let me know if there's anything I need to tweak about it, but I love it. And then I got a few family and friends idea on it, and they say it turned out great. And I also have my friend helping me to put it together. Now, so the background is ready. I know I've been so behind on my DIY ingredients. This is a hair channel. I know many of you guys is not interested in house design and house store, but from the name of the channel is DIY. DIY can be in, it's a broad topic. It can be on so many other things. And then natural hair, which is also DIY for natural hair. But I got a lot of my subscribers from my DIY for hair because that's what my channel is based upon. So I understand if you guys are not being attractive to any other video, you guys just want a lot of DIYs for hair. But it was also great for me to take a break from DIYs for hair. That's almost 2 months now, because when I started giving you guys all of those videos back to back, some of you guys started complaining. And actually that's true. And I also had some people in the comment, you guys fighting back each other's, and I didn't want that to happen on my channel. I was not happy about it. So it's good that I took a break from DIY, and now many of you guys are also complaining that I need to get back to DIY. So I'm a bit confused. When I put out the video, you guys complain I'm putting out so many DIYs. How do I know which one is working? Everything is working because my hair is growing, my daughter's hair is growing, my family and friends' hair is growing. And then when I stop, then you guys complain. You guys want your DIYs back. So guess what? We are coming back with DIY, but this time we are coming back in a very, very grand way, because I'm setting up like a whole at-home salon that I will be doing friends and family hair, so you guys can get to see different type of hair texture, different types of hair, and how my DIY treatments are working on their hair. And to do that, I cannot be washing all of those people's hair in my sink that I cook my food in, including my own hair and my kids' hair. So guess what? I got a big surprise for you guys. I will show it to you guys before the end of this video. But I got like a Salon chair, shampoo bowl or something. So now I'm having difficulties having a plumber to come over to connect this, because we are not in the middle of Atlanta, and getting people to come to do things, you have to pay a little bit extra. But I don't mind because I'm excited to start using it. So the plumber will be here tomorrow morning, which is Wednesday. So hopefully from next week you guys will start seeing so many videos back to back, so get ready for that. And I've been experimenting with so many other natural ingredients. I've been researching so many other natural ingredients, so all of those will be coming. And then I also plan on creating my carrot growth oil to give to you guys free of charge. If, for example, if you order my growth oil and you want the extra carrot oil as a pre-put treatment. I will put that in. So I need to get all of those ingredients. I need to go out and purchase all of those ingredients, and they are not cheap. And then I will also be making a video for that. And you guys also stay tuned. I also plan on doing a big promotion on my growth oils, just to tell all of you guys thank you for all the patience that you had during this rough patch. I can say difficult because it's such a nice experience, but just the time of me not posting regularly to my channel. Thank you very much for your patience, and it's time for us to get back to our DIYs because I haven't washed my hair almost 2 months now. This is something that is going to be very bad. I've never done this since I started my healthy hair journey, so I'm excited to see how many hair I'm gonna shed, how much breakage I'm gonna have. But I've been moisturizing it on a daily basis with my aloe vera juice or a leave-in sprays, and then also my growth oil. I've been applying it to my scalp, so I'm pretty sure that it wouldn't be as bad as if I was not moisturizing it at all. But because of my curl pattern, I know it's gonna tangle up a lot. I'm gonna have a lot of shedding because it's whole 2 months. We're supposed to shed at least 100 strands of hair a day. So almost 2 months, that's a lot of shedding, and that's normal. I'm not afraid to have that. So yes, this is how far I am now. And then let me just show you guys the full background, and also show you guys the shampoo bowl. And thank you again so much. And oh yes, one more last thing. I know I also been behind on announcing our 100K subscribers, so I will put the names of the winner on my community tab tomorrow, which is Wednesday. After I post my video, I will go and work on that. I already started working on that. My assistant went through it and already chose the 2 winners' name because we did a screenshot of all those that entered the competition. And yes, it was 2 winners. So the $1,200, we're going to share that into 2, and you're also going to receive a box of natural hair products. So I also went out and got some natural hair products to add into the box for the giveaway. So that will also be coming up tomorrow. And I also have a lot of projects that I will be doing tomorrow on my home, but I will make sure that I get that out to you guys tomorrow. So if this is what I've been working on, this is how the new filming background is looking. This is the area that I'm using for my filming section. Now I have this stand here. I'm going to use this for a photo shoot, for the thumbnail pictures. And guess what came in the mail? Revair sent me this hair dryer free of charge. I didn't pay for it. It is not a sponsored video, but I know once the company sends something to you, if it's this expensive, that's also awesome. But they sent me this, and they sent it to me free. I didn't pay for it. So if you don't know what Revair is, it's a hair dryer, reverse hair dryer. So it is expensive, but I think it worth it because it protects your hair. You guys know how big I am on using heat on my daughters and myself here, because I don't want our hair to get damaged. But this is a reverse hair dryer, so it protects your hair. It blow dries the cuticles down, so it's not damaging it. So this is something that's going to be very, very useful for my daughter and myself here. I'm going to be using that some when I get back to filming. Now this is how the background is looking. I have all my lights. And then this is my old DIY table, which I will be using the same. And then I just have this little table here that after I create the DIY, I will set it on it so that I can apply it to my hair. And then my tripod is right there. And then I have this chair that I will sit on to apply the DIY to my hair. Now this plant is live. I have to water it every day. This one down here is fake. This is fake. This is fake. But I have so many live plans that I also gonna put around in here because I'm also gonna be using them for my DIY treatment. I just haven't had the time to bring them in yet, but that will also be adding to this space. And then I got that golden butterfly picture from Ross, which is, it looks very great up there. I don't know, what do you think? When I saw it, I just fell in love with it. So yeah, so this is how the filming background is looking. This is what you guys going to be seeing. I miss my brick wall in Florida, but I'm in love with this background, so I cannot complain. Good to move forward. And then this is our shampoo bowl. This is how it's looking now. If you are in the Atlanta area and you want to order a shampoo bowl for your home or for your salon, I will leave all their informations down below in the description box. This shampoo bowl was $513 and it worth it because you can also open it up. They have a rest seat for your leg, and then yeah, so the plumber have to come over for us to connect this. This is how it's looking. It's brand new. I went on Amazon. You guys know I always love to order stuff from Amazon. I went on Amazon and unfortunately I couldn't have anything delivered on time, and the ones that were on Amazon, they were plastic and this is ceramic, so this gonna last longer. And then they also have this soft hair rest here. So I will leave their information down in the description box, and when you call, just tell them selinazinchuk from YouTube. They will also give you a discount. I think this is just amazing if you really want to take care of your hair at home. And again, no sponsor, but it's just amazing because of my job and the way I love to take care of my kids and myself here. So this is well invested. This gonna last us a long time, and I don't have to worry about clogging up my bathroom. I don't have to worry about hair being all over my body if I'm washing my hair in the shower. I don't have to wash the kids' hair and my hair in the sink again, because if you have a lot of kids, or if you have your kids that you want to take care of their hair, investing in something like this is very important. Now that's just me because my passion is hair. If that's not you, then that's fine. So yeah, so this is how the background is looking and I'm loving it. I just need to add few touches to it, like put few plants around, and then I am done. Now this next place is the office, but I'm not going there yet because I will show that to you guys in another video. Okay family, so get ready for amazing DIY treatment gonna be coming. Get ready to see different type of hair texture being done, my product being experiment on them. And if you also want to be a guinea pig and you're in the Atlanta area, send me an email to selinazinchuk, and then I will also start working with some of my subscribers, but not now, but in the future. Yes, I will start to work with some of you guys just to help you guys out on your healthy hair journey as well. Everything is coming together little by little. This is a huge house. It's gonna take us a lot of time to renovate it and put everything together, but I also plan on sharing it with you guys because I'm gonna be doing some DIY home decor, and my channel is also up with DIY. I'm sorry if you are only here for here. I just want to spice things up because that's not much I can do with my hair. I don't want to damage my hair, be in my hair constantly, all my kids' hair. So I just want to add some other things to my channel. Since my channel is up with DIY, I'll also add some home decor and show you guys how I'm going to be designing my dream home. So if you love this video, can you please give me a like, thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.